wasn't meant to be.
Hi, my name's Michelle. I love this bag. I love it. Every single time I work with Nadula Hair, they send me this outrageous bag. And I try to think, it's just too pretty to just sit in my closet, right? So since we're going to use these as we install the wig, I just want to stress, I cannot stress this enough. Please don't get that tape in your hair. Make sure that tape is only touching your skin, okay? I'm trying to help you. So here is the wig in question. She is a beauty. So let me show you the inside of the cap. And as you can see, there are no combs in the front, y'all. Ain't no combs on the side. But there is one on the back at your nape, and then it has the adjustable straps, and then it has this non-slip grip right here, but on the sides is where you would install that elastic band. Method for you if you're not quite sure about how to install this bad boy, because if it's too tight, you're not gonna know immediately. You're not gonna know. It will reveal itself though in an hour or two when you have the headache from hands. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your elastic band, you're gonna adjust it until it touches both temples comfortably, because we don't want no crazy headaches, right? Then you're gonna hook it back into your wig. So I've gone ahead and done that. I put the elastic band in there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put her on now. Yes, queen. So if you've adjusted everything right, it should fit snugly and flush on your head. So you can see the invisible tape is right here on the ear flap, dangerously close to this hairline. And we're not trying to have any hair get caught up in some tape. So when I hear this, I'm going to make sure that I am clear, okay? It's gonna be on my cheekbone probably, but it's not gonna be in my hair, amen? So I noticed on the packaging, it says that this is transparent lace. She's about 24 inches, but y'all gonna see that when I stand up. To make this lace blend in more seamlessly with your skin tone, you can use anything you want. You can use foundations. My version of glueless is I might use a little bit of gel, or I might use a spray like this adhesive from so I'm gonna go ahead and start the installation. I'm gonna clean up my hairline, and then I'm going to install the wig. I'm going to engage this invisible tape on my ear flaps, and then once my edges are dry, because I am gonna be using this mousse because it tends to lace perfectly to my skin tone, and then I'll be back. Back again. All right, let's take this off and see what we got. Ooh, a little crusty right, y'all. But nothing some mousse can't handle. Let me fire up this bad boy. So now that I have the foundation set for this hair, because I'm going to do long curls, I just want to show you really quickly what it looks like before I started in on my makeup. And you can rock it like this. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face and curl my hair, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the length of this hair. Very long. I'm not that short, I'm 5'4", it's not short. So my plan of attack for styling is gonna be wand curls. So I got my old faithful right here, and I found my crusty glove that was in the bottom of my hair drawer. And I'm going to spend the next hour, I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'm going to spend a good 2 or 3 Real Housewives episodes curling my hair, and then I'll be back.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be given.
My arm's about to fall off. So I'm spraying some pink oysters. Pink oysters? I'm putting some glosser on. And I'm gonna go ahead and separate these curls. They're a little crunchy because I use the old school pump it up. But that's okay because when you are working with Yaki texture hair, especially this Yaki straight, you need a lot of heat. And you wanna make sure those curls last because you didn't create hair for nothing.
Rewind. Rewind.
Y'all, this is why Yaki straight will always be my favorite texture to work with. Look how pretty them long curls came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the information about this hair from Nadula will be in the description box below. And please comment, like, and subscribe. And I will get back to you as soon as this exam is over. Pray for me. All right, I love you guys.